Tonight I am at Tyrella beach in County Down. It's the very east side of the county, and you're looking towards St John's Lighthouse there, and you can see it's warding off the perils and dangers of the rocks from the incoming naval traffic. And you can hear and hopefully see the beauty of creation and nature all around us. And there is the moon as the waves crash beneath it. I wonder, does that moon remind you of my friend Tom McLean Positive Belfast's video a few weeks ago? Check him out on YouTube. He did a wonderful video. And there appear the majestic and magical Mourne Mountains as they sweep down to the sea from the immortal words of Percy French. Absolutely breathtaking, and there just are the last few glimmers from the day sun as it sets just beyond me. Absolutely beautiful to be here for an evening walk in mid-September in County Down. What a beautiful night. And way to walk towards the sea here. I hope you've had a wonderful day, and wherever you are, over and out.